This is a quick overview of how our old ClearComs work. It's a normal D-plug into this thing. It powers on. This is the master. So this would be like the producer's headset, whoever's calling the show. It goes to both A and B channels. You'll see on the back there's a row of A and a row of B. So that master headset is the only one that talks to and listens to both. Outside of that, it's really simple. You just come out of channel A with a normal XLR and you just jump in and out of these little boxes into there, into the next one, and you can interchange these belt packs. This one works with this one. This one I would avoid because the call feature wasn't working. You'll see what I mean there in a second. But you can definitely mix these and this one I just dropped. Each of these boxes has a call button. You push that when you want to talk. There's a volume for the input. This is not the volume of your mic, this is the volume of your headset. And if you want to talk, like you have something to say to the producer or something, you push the call button and then they'll see that light there on whatever channel you're on. So right now this is on the B section, so the call button under B is labeled. But you'll notice if I move it to A, now it's calling A. Now there is separate A and B, but if you just want everybody on the same channel, you go here, and instead of having link, you go to A plus B. And now when I call, even though I'm back in the B output, when I hit call, it's going to show up on A, and everything's going to be channel A. So you see what I mean? If I put this back here and I hit it, now they're separate. I'm calling B. And then that producer's going to have their own levels here for each. There's a kill switch. If they just want everybody to shut up, they can do that. This is how they talk. That's their talk button. And that's really it. You have like a program input on the back so they can listen to the mixer output or something. That's pretty much it.